So here are the XIMISHOP stickers. Let's get them open and see what's included in them. You can see right away that you get this giant Santa, and you also get what looks like a little Christmas gift bag right here. So let's pull these out and see all of them that we get. So we get these ones right here. We get the giant snowman right here. He's super cute. We get a bunch of different snowflakes right here in all kinds of designs. I understand it's a little bit hard to see them on this, but so let me rotate a little bit so you get a look at the designs. We'll get those up on the windows as well. Here we get a reindeer along with a Christmas mitt right there that has what looks like a little owl on it. And then here we get a little elf along with some more stars and snowflakes. So those are all the stickers that you're going to get in the XIMISHOP sticker set. And now we'll go ahead and see how hard they are to peel off, and not hard at all. You can see that little star right there came right off, no problem. Okay, so I'm just going to peel off this sticker right here. This is the reindeer, and we're going to get this set up on this mirror right here. So as you can see, it's fairly easy to peel off, but I am going chunk by chunk. I'm not just going to tear it all off at once. I want to make sure that I don't damage this or tear it. So I'm getting off all the little pieces. It might actually be easier to start from the bottom of the creature right here. I can get down to that corner. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that's peeling off much easier going from the bottom of the reindeer here. It's bringing his arms off, being careful with the hands, making sure I don't tear those, being careful with the antlers. And there you go. It comes right off. Now we're going to take it and we're going to line it up how we like it, right along the edge of this window here, or this mirror. We're going to stick him on, spread his little arms out, take this little arm, spread that one out, take his whole head here, stick it up there, take his little antlers, and there you go. Works perfectly. So here's just to give you an idea of what some of them look like now that I have them up. I got the Santa up there with his little thing, and my daughter's over here putting up the snowflakes with the snowman. So it shows you that they're super easy to put up and they look fantastic. So overall, a great set of Christmas stickers. I really like them. They're easy to put together. They seem like they're going to last a long time. I think you'll like them too.